That's 1 box of our rotini pasta. Okay. Now we're just gonna add 2 cups of our beef broth, and we're just gonna give this dry pasta a little bit of liquid to absorb while it cooks. Y'all, this is just a super simple, easy kind of dump and bake pasta recipe that I absolutely love. All right, now we're gonna come in with our Rayo's arrabbiata sauce. And now we are just gonna pour this right over top of our pasta. Like that. Does not get any easier or more delicious, y'all. All right, and we're just gonna give this a quick spread. We are gonna come in with our frozen grilled chicken strips. We're just gonna dump these right here on top. All right, that looks pretty good. Let's give these a quick arranging here. Just want to try and keep it to a single layer so everything cooks nice and even. So we're just going to take our mozzarella sticks here. We're just going to go ahead, we're just going to peel this in half, maybe a third. And we're just going to start to kind of layer these right here on top of our chicken. And I've got some more here, so we're just go ahead and arrange these right over top. Y'all, this is such a fun, easy recipe, and y'all can see just how fast it comes together. This is great for, you get home late, you gotta feed yourself, your family, whatever the case may be. This is a great way to do it. If you have some mozzarella cheese already shredded, wonderful. I didn't, so we're improvising. All right, and now we're just gonna take some of our Parmesan. I did have a little shredded Parmesan, and we'll just sprinkle that right over top here. Y'all, this is coming together so quick, and I'm telling you, it is going to be absolutely delicious. All right, now we're just gonna come in with our Italian breadcrumbs. We're gonna put a nice little layer over top here. You get that nice crunchy top crust. All right, y'all, that looks good. I'm guessing that's probably about 1.5 cups of breadcrumbs. All right. Well, we're gonna put this in the oven at 350 degrees. We're probably gonna cook this for about 30 minutes. All right, y'all. Our pasta bake is ready. It was exactly 30 minutes in the oven. All right, let's eat. You can see we've got our breadcrumbs. They browned up real nice. Those mozzarella sticks, nice little kind of browned, maybe a little crispy crust on the top, but ooh, that ooey gooey cheese inside. All right, let's get a nice spoonful here, shall we? All right, get in here. There we go. Got this chicken with that nice crispy bread. Oh, look at that little cheese pull there. Go ahead, mozzarella sticks. All right, y'all, this is a meal absolutely fit for a king. Let's get in here. We'll get some of that chicken. Wonderful. Obviously, that chicken was already cooked, so we're just heating it up. I'm gonna get that little mozzarella stick piece there. Oh, that perfectly cooked, tender pasta. All right, let's see how we did. Cheers, y'all. This is delicious. I mean, for as simple as this was, a dump and bake pasta, so good. Y'all definitely need to give this one a try. Have a great one. Thanks so much for watching. Elaine, dinner's ready.